Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, for today, me and two of my friends will do podcast ya. Will do podcast in evening in Turkey ya, Masya Allah. So, for the first, may I introduce myself? My name is Muhammad Ekal Firdaus.
And my name is Garda Bumastaguna. You can call me Boma.
And I'm Faiz Gifaridi Rahman. You can call me Faiz.
Okay. So, for this podcast chapter ya.
Yeah.
Chapter in Turkey, we will talk about maybe experience in when you first came in Turkey. So for the opening, maybe from Faiz, you can tell or you can sharing your experience, your good experience, your interest, maybe in Turkey.
Okay, maybe I in Turkey. Arise is what 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 days? Oh, 5 days. In Turk, many people can cannot be saying English, and just small people can saying English. So I must use language what
Body language.
body language for translate that language that Turkey people says. Okay.
Oh, so you while communicate with people in here, you if
body
yeah
language.
Yeah,
mix.
it's body
Oh,
language.
use body language. Yeah, because
Because people in Turkey, uh, but
they most of
yeah, most of them cannot use international language. That is English. Yeah. And yeah,
Because Turk near Europe, and they can say Europe, and English cannot saying, just small people.
yes little group of people they can speak English. So if you want to come in to Turkey, maybe for the better you learning the basic language of Turkey or bring some guide their language ya.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe for next the experience ya.
yeah. Uh, okay, guys. My experience in Turkey in 5 days. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
5 days.
5 days. The first is not experience, just my interesting in Turkey. The first is uh, the bank in Turkey. It can uh, the what money you can take USD, Europe, and Lira, guys. This yeah my interesting because in Indonesia we just can rupiah not
Then some um some money in international review.
sama international because in Turkey what the geographies is
Yeah,
geographic
geographic the
Turkey
Turkey
it's
near Europe ya.
Europe and
And
ASEAN.
Asia. Yeah, Turkey divide to what two groups ya.
Yeah,
Two group
two
there
group.
is Asia and Europe. We visiting the Istanbul it in the Europe
in the Europe.
Europe side. So if somewhere you want to take an ATM, you can take money to lira, USD, and Europe ya,
Yeah.
Europe. And there is some maybe little of shops in here, they transaction with USD and Europe. Yeah. And for my interest in Turkey is the environment. The environment. Uh, you can see is the in many ways you will maybe very very hard to find in trash bin.
Yeah.
Trash bin is very small of very little bit of trash bin in the road. So, but the fantastic things, the trash is hiding. You very in Turkey very clean and very comfort place when you go anywhere at any time. So and also we came at after winter.
Yeah.
After winter and we want to go summer, but the weather is still cold. Maybe now today the lowest uh, the lowest temperature is 5 degrees 5 degrees until 7, so it's very cold. Because of that we using sweater and hoodie for warming. So and maybe the iconic place
Yeah.
that you want to visit maybe.
The iconic want to visit is Sultan Bayezid Mosque. That is Sultan Bayezid is a figure, what important figure in Islam.
Yeah.
There's yeah,
Like in the past, like there is a president, like a president. No, Sultan Bayezid like the minister,
yeah,
the minister in Istanbul in the past, maybe in the 1500
yeah,
1500 years it at the past. So it's the from our homestay, yeah. From our homestay we can go to Sultan Bayezid Mosque
Mosque.
using metro,
Train.
the train. Yeah, the interesting in here is more more what sorry more what the name, maybe the transportation, most of people using public transportation in here. And the unique one, the train the train is beside the highway, the road, beside the road, and it's very close to the road. So like the train is the public transportation on the road. Yeah, we also using public transportation for saving our money. Maybe for you, Pais, what the iconic place?
maybe Museum Kemal Atatürk.
Maybe
Because maybe I'm not yet found the iconic what place, because is the weather is very cold. Yeah, I very not what not safe, my body not safe, so just stay in my homestay.
but did you want to visit Hagia Sophia?
Maybe I have planned for the go to Hagia Sophia Mosque for the what
The iconic place.
iconic place, and I want to do prayer Salah in Hagia Sophia Mosque.
want to try.
Yeah, want to try.
Yeah, because Hagia Sophia, as we know, if the picture of Turkey, there is the mosque of Hagia Sophia, the blue mosque, right? Yeah. Hagia Sophia, the blue mosque, the iconic mosque from Sultan Al Fatih.
Yeah, Sultan.
Yeah, from Sultan Al-Fatih era. So maybe that's all from our podcast today, yeah, because the weather is very cold. So we end the session. Thank you very much for watching. Last we say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.